I'll be right there.
Gambi, it's Lynn. Take your time. I was hoping you could help me with something.
Well, I hope your help involves a silk damask, because my supplier accidentally left me 2 bolts of it.
I'm afraid not.
Well, then, let's pray purple suits come back into fashion. What do you need?
Well, I've been doing some analysis of a vaccine from 30 years ago.
It's a long time ago. Why the interest now?
Well, I just got the sample. It was in a box of research for a series of articles that Alvin was writing.
Alvin Pierce.
Yeah. Turns out that the vaccine's related to green light, but I want to know where it came from. Problem is, it's so old, there's no information about the drug company that developed it. Do you remember a doctor or a clinic director that was working in the community back then?
No.
Well, a vaccine has to be government approved. Do you have any contacts that might be able to answer?
I can't talk about this.
Years ago. You moved here around the time the vaccine came to Freeland. You never talk about your life before Freeland.
No.
You never wanted to share anything. We assumed you had your reasons.
I did.
Gambi, Jefferson trusts you.
I know. I think it's time for me to have a talk with him. Excuse me, Lynn.
Okay, I finally realized the most important part of a stakeout.
Go to the bathroom first.
That would have helped a lot more than all of your "you're gonna die" talk. Whoa, 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 Dad, there's somebody over there.
Wait, that's not right.
What's not?
Henderson would have sent uniformed officers to secure the scene, a crime scene unit, not a lone person in street clothes.
Okay, well then, who was he?
Freeland PD is full of dirty cops. So I'm guessing someone must have intercepted Henderson's dispatch and sent him first. All right, stay here.
Stay here, Dad.
No, stay here. I'm just gonna see what he's doing. I can disable him from a distance if I have to. Stay here.
Wait. Dad!
I told you.
Dad, I could tell he didn't know that those weapons were dangerous. Whoever sent him, they thought he was expendable. He just didn't know.